For the past months and for the past years, I have been using different kinds of brushes, and for today, I'm gonna give you my honest thoughts about these different brushes. For reference, I am a very heavy-handed person and I'm also very clumsy, so that is my main point of view. For my first brushes, this is the OVW brushes. So, I have two variants of their brushes. One is the wood variant, like wood yung component niya, and the other one is the plastic and steel component. Most affordable brushes that you can find. And ang masabi ko lang dun sa bristles niya, actually malambot siya, most especially when you start using it. But ang con ko lang dun sa bristles niya is madali siyang magbuhaghag. I don't really like the wood component kasi madali siyang mag-chip off. So, ayan, as you can see, yung isa, halos bare na siya. As you can see here. I actually love these brushes kasi sobrang compact niya and it's very good for your base. So, this is for the foundation and this is for the concealer. So, ang con ko lang dito is, over time, nagkakaroon na siya ng tusok-tusok factor on the face and sobrang bilis or sobrang makapit yung product dun sa brush itself. So, mahirap siyang tanggalin. So, ito, nakailang kuskus na ako sa kanya but di pa rin siya natatanggal. Next is the Sunny's Face